Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce shipping costs with FedEx step by step clearly. To reduce shipping costs with FedEx, start by assessing your shipping needs. Determine the types of packages you send most frequently. Evaluate the destinations you ship to and the average distance. Weigh and measure your packages accurately. Use the FedEx shipping calculator to get preliminary quotes. Investigate the different shipping options available, such as ground, express, and freight. Consider using FedEx SmartPost for lighter packages to residential addresses. Look into FedEx's volume shipping discounts if you're a frequent shipper. Create a FedEx account to access discounted rates and manage shipments easily. Utilize packaged or bundled shipping options when sending multiple items. Choose the appropriate packaging to avoid additional fees. Consider using FedEx's flat rate options for certain shipments. Take advantage of any seasonal promotions or discounts that FedEx offers. Review your shipping habits regularly to optimize routes and methods. Utilize shipping software or integrations that may provide additional cost savings. Track your shipments to ensure they arrive on time and avoid reshipping costs. Stay informed about FedEx updates and changes in rates to adjust your strategies accordingly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.